Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again. I hope you're doing great. Today we're going to be diving into an issue that most of us flight simmers have every time we're going to fly. We have a bunch of side applications and software that we need to open every time that we start our simulator and want to do our flights. This might include, but is not limited to, Atmos, OpenTrack, Navigraph, your aptX if you use it, FS Realistic, so anything that you open every time you want to fly. For example, like the ACAR system as well for the virtual airlines, stuff like that. It gets boring and it gets repetitive to have to click every single app you want to open every time you open up the simulator. So there is a quick solution to fix this. You can auto start these applications by setting them up on the exe.xml file of Microsoft Flight Simulator. This is not new. It's been around for ages, but I haven't really seen any major videos on this, so I thought it would be a good idea to share with you guys how to do it. It is actually pretty simple, and it depends on the version of Microsoft Flight Simulator that you have. If you have it on Steam, it's going to be this path that's showing up on the screen. And if you have it on the Xbox store, it's going to be this path that's showing up on your screen. So after you open the correct folder, you should see this file over here. It's a exe.xml file. And you can open it with any text editor. If you have something like Visual Studio Code, you can open it, and it's going to be easier to inspect it, because it's divided by colors. So basically what you need to do, and you can see here that I already have a few examples, is for example here OpenTrack, which is the one that I use for my DelanClip. It is within these brackets, and I basically posted the name of the application, and then I pasted the actual path of the application, including the executable file. Make sure that you include the actual file that it's supposed to open. I've done this for RealTurb as well, which is a little add-on that we use for basically generating realistic turbulence in the simulator. I might do a video on this later, but basically, for example, if you use Phoenix, it already creates this for you, which is kind of cool. If you use GSX, it already creates this for you as well. So you can add here whatever you'd like. We're going to do an example here with Rex Atmos. So I'm going to copy from here all the way down here. So from launch to launch, it ends with the launch with the bracket. Hit enter, go down a line, and Control V to paste this. Just to keep it neat, we're gonna call it Rex Atmos, just like this. And then I'm gonna copy the path where my Rex Atmos is installed. I have it right here, so I'm gonna copy this, paste it over here, and then I'm going to change the executable file name to Rex Atmos, which matches the actual one right here. So all you got to do is just save and launch the simulator. So next time that you launch the simulator, it is going to launch every single application in that list. So that is it. Very simple, very straightforward, and you can try it out yourself in a couple of minutes. So thank you all for watching. Until the next one, safe flights to everyone. See?